Greetings again from sunny yet windy Stockholm, and once again hello from the frozen Lake Flaten. Beautiful sunny day, 11 degrees Celsius in the air, and I just measured in the water, but you will see for yourself with my thermometer. And I am here on this same spot 3 days in a row now. Today it is Tuesday, 10th of March, 12:30 p.m. and the lake is still frozen despite having plus degrees now for 2 weeks. It takes time as we had very cold temperatures for a long time. Basically half of January and whole February it was very cold. So it takes time for the ice to melt. And Chris is once again for an ice bathing adventure in paradise here in the beautiful Lake Flaten in this heart-shaped ice hole at Stora Flattenbadet. Yes, I'm continuing the ice bathing adventures, and on this lake there are a lot of secluded nudist beach spots on the other side of the lake. On one of them I was actually 2 days ago, but it's not possible to go in for a dip there as it takes a lot of time to break through the ice. But I will be visiting those spots definitely in the upcoming spring. To be fair, it's already spring because it is now 11 degrees Celsius in the air, and today is beach day number 7 on my Sweden beach adventures. So let's get going because it is time for Chris to do the daily ice bath here. And now I see the forecast is actually 12 degrees, so it is even warmer, but it feels less than that because of the wind that is going on. So first let me show you the temperature in the water as I am going in with my feet only so far. Okay, we have just 1 degree Celsius in the water. That is the coldest I have measured so far this season. I'm not really sure why it was 2 degrees yesterday and 3 the day before. Maybe because it was colder during the night. But yeah, we're gonna go in anyway, don't worry at all. All right, Chris is ready then for the ice bath in the heart-shaped ice hole here in Lake Flaten. So let's then go. Actually, it seems that the water has frozen here because there are some ice particles. So someone was here before me and breaking those parts. So yeah, I feel so happy right now. This is my best part of the day when I go in for the ice dip. And I'm gonna miss actually this because soon it will be warm in the lake, but I'm gonna be swimming a lot longer than usual. Oh, this is a big chunk of ice. Okay, I think we need to get in. So Chris is ready for today's ice dip. Okay, we go on 3, 2, 1, let's go. It's amazing. It's amazing. I love it. It's so beautiful indeed. I feel alive. I just can't believe it. I made it for another ice dip. It's so nice. Okay, so that is a wrap for now. I will now chill a bit more in the ice hole. And thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another ice skating adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.